Today we're going to be replacing a leaky cartridge for the Moen kitchen faucet that looks like this, that utilizes the 52,000 for hot water cartridge and the 52,001 cold water cartridge. We've already replaced the cold water recently, so now we're replacing the hot water cartridge. So cover your drain, make sure the drain is covered. We're shutting off the hot water today. So that's this side, and that's already off. So there's no water coming out. So now we're going to use the T25 Torx wrench and just unscrew the top of the handle. This might be a little water corroded on, but we got it off. And then this is just held on by a rubber seal or an O-ring, so it should pop off. If you can't get it off, you can pry a little bit to get it started. This one seems to be coming off pretty good. So you take off that collar. Now you need an adjustable wrench, and this goes counterclockwise to loosen, same as the cold side. And again, it's probably going to be a little corroded on, and jar it free, and then you can unscrew. So you got this rubber seal here. It might be beneficial to lube it up when you go to put the collar back on. And now to get this cartridge out, it has two tabs on each side, and you're going to need a small screwdriver. I recommend 2 small screwdrivers, and you're just going to put the screwdrivers in the tab and pop it up, lever it up, and you get that. Expect some water to come out of that hole when you pull that cartridge. And now all we're going to do is insert the new cartridge. It has 2 tabs that line up with the tabs on the sink faucet. So you're gonna work that down. There we go. Okay. Make sure. Okay. Then we're going to put this collar back on. I want to make sure it's not crossed. So there we go. Use your wrench to tighten her up. There will be a solid end to when this stops turning. Right there. Good. And then this is where you might take something, some Vaseline or something, just to lube that O-ring so that this collar can go back on nice and easy, just like that. Put the top back on and use your Torx wrench to put the set screw back in. Okay, so we should be good.